Hey guys, well here's my modified Hoover wind tunnel Mach 2.1 with the 13-inch cleaning path. Go ahead and give you a model. It is a model number U5395-900. And some of the modifications on this machine include, I added this a long time ago, the bag indicator. This handle assembly is off a different wind tunnel. I'm trying this out and seeing if I like this design or the original more. Also, I added a dirt finder, which really wasn't all that difficult. I just had to tear it apart and switch out some wiring. So that's about all I really have done to this machine. Now, it does need a new brush roll, but go ahead, tilt it back, and give you guys a quick run video. Bring it to the switch. It's got great suction. It sucks down tight to the carpet. Turn this off for a second so I can talk. The dirt finder on this, I don't think is working properly. I'll have to clean up the indicator or the sensor that's in the back. So I'm going to show you that. If you switch it over, it'll switch to the clean light. As soon as I turn it back on, now it's bouncing back and forth, but all there is a little sensor and the little plastic elbow piece, right, that piece that goes in behind the cover here. There's a little sensing piece that goes right into here area. Clean that up and that'll be better. I also switched out this back cover, this little channel piece that covers the wiring, because the one that was originally on it was a little beat up and broken clips and so on, so it's set up a little different than what it used to be, but it works perfectly fine. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.